Sorry, I totally forgot that my mic was off. But yeah, as I was saying, that there was this first trade on GJ. I showed to you guys that I taken this trade. I did share with my Discord group people, so they knew about it. And this was the first trade, and at that time I was in drawdown a little bit. And there was the second trade here. Now here I was, to be honest, I was out yesterday, and I took a trade here, thinking like I knew this was the area I have marked from the morning, that if price do hit this levels, I'll be looking for buys. Okay. Now I did enter two position here. It immediately hit my SL there, putting another trade. Like after that, I lost 1% on that day, and then I added another position at that point, hoping that price will reverse and will go up. Right now, it's going up, but the reason, like right now, I lost the whole funded account is because I think I was not able to calculate the risk properly at the time, and I was out. But if I had just hold this GJ trade, I would have been back to 3% up. But no worries, no worries. I just bought a new funded account with a one step, so we'll continue the live stream until we pass that. Okay, because I don't want to like lose it this time. Like last time I did, but I don't want. I will continue the live stream until I pass this one, because to be honest, like this is now becoming a challenge for me. Like it's 2025, and I need to do this. I need to do this. It's like I know what mistake that I did last time, and I think I can improve, because the last time the another thing was I changed in my strategy. Was I was trying to hold a trade till 100 pips or so. Okay, 50 pips, 60 pips, and I forgot that that's not me. Whenever I have tried to hold the trade, I have not. It's not been good for me. Yeah. So as I was saying, but eventually we did lost that funded account. But I think we can do better. So this time we'll set some rules while trading this funded account. First of all, no targeting like a higher, like 100 pips, like a this trade. Okay, we'll try to target 50 pips max, and 70 pips is like closure for all trades. Okay, and percentage wise, we'll check out like 1 to 2% a day is more than enough. We are not targeting 3 to 4% in a day. Okay, and will manage risk according to the trade setups that we take. Yeah. So I think these are the some things I will. So this was the trade we took yesterday, and it did hit TP. Now we are at the same level. Let's do analysis from the monthly till the. So we have monthly candle to close. We have around, you can say, 3 days and 8 hours or so. Do we have any news today, guys? Do we have any news today? Let's take a look. So we have at 8:30, which will be in 45 minutes, I guess. Okay. Then we have weekly candle is, this was a strong bullish candle. That means this candle can break the high of a previous candle and can move up. We are still respecting the high here. We are looking at that. So this candle just flipped bullish after taking out some liquidity from the downside. Looking at the 4 hour, we are just doing a retest at this point. So once this 4 hour candle, if it's break this low and reject again, that will be something to look forward. That means the price will continue moving up. Looking at this price structure, we are still holding this as a support area. Rejected once. This is the second time we are rejecting, making a new high, breaking this previous candle, structure high here, and doing a retest of that, then made a new high. Now we are coming back down, doing a retracement of this whole move around 80%. This is the 80% retracement, and now we are trying to move forward. Okay, now if we are moving forward here, if we do move upside on a GJ, then the best level to enter for me will be this part. So On the 5 minute time frame, what I'll be looking for is this price coming down and moving up. So I will try to take buys here and around this level. So I'll be targeting around 50 pips on this trade. Okay, let's go. Yeah. So संकेत भाई, मतलब लास्ट जो वो फंडेड अकाउंट था ना, उसमें मैंने आपसे बात की थी, तब हम लोग ड्रॉडाउन में थे। मैंने पूरा कल फिर लाइक और दो ट्रेड लिए थे, एक जीजे पे, एक ये ट्रेड लिया था। ओके, मैंने डिस्कॉर्ड में सेंड किया था ये ट्रेड 100 पिप्स, तो ये तो पूरा टीपी हिट किया, बट सेंड मी लिंक, आई ज्वाइन। श्योर, लेट मी सेंड यू। डिस्कॉर्ड डिस्कॉर्ड है क्या आपके पास? लेट्स ज्वाइन ऑन डिस्कॉर्ड, अगर डिस्कॉर्ड है तो। ओके, लेट्स कनेक्ट दैट। I'll send you invite that. Let's connect there. I need to turn on my desktop audio here. Okay, I'll send you request in the Discord group. I mean, in the Discord. So yes, like mainly what we are looking for is price to tap into these levels, especially once we tap here, then I'll be looking for price to, we can go in a drawdown a little bit. That could be drawdown till here, but our SL will be below these levels. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, that's 33 pips or so. Because if I take a buy here, that will be too much to hold, like 60 pips as a SL, too much, right? Now let's take a look at the gold. Ooh, gold is flying, right? After that break of structure here. So 4 hour candle have no bottom wick. So we'll definitely create that. So what I'll suggest is to wait for price to create a bottom wick. For the daily, we are retracement rejecting. Okay. Yeah, there is a high possibility we will come down. Question is where we have a rejection point. Yeah, this look good. This looks good. Okay. So after this break of structure here, you've seen that the prices have been moving bullish. Now what we will be looking for is here, we can see that price will retrace around this point. That is something we can look for. On GJ, yeah, I think if we tap into this levels, that will be an amazing buying opportunity for me. Because if you were supposed to move down, I think this would be that area. Like, but price did not move down and it did hold that area properly right now. So I think we can see this is a strong level. So if price is holding that, then we should just look for buys, not any other things, right? Hello. Can wait a second, wait a second. I think I cannot hear you. Okay. Can you speak now? No. Yes, it's better now. Okay, okay, okay. Wait, I joined with my mom. Yeah, that will be better. That will be better for our audience as well. Yep. So guys, like, okay, as I said, like for GJ, the buyers will be the best option. Like we should wait for price to at least retrace this levels. Once we do that, then it will be something good to take price. I'm good. How are you doing? How are you doing? Yeah, for the goal. Hello. Okay. Yeah, it's clear now. It's clear now. A- Actually, I can hear my own voice back. So maybe change your settings in Discord. Yeah, your voice is clear. No, no, it's not coming now. No, that's good. Yep, great. Wait, let me share. Do you want me to share the screen or you will just watch through YouTube? What do you suggest? अच्छा मतलब आप YouTube पे ही देख रहे हो या फिर मैं इधर Discord पे भी स्क्रीन शेयर करूँ क्या? Okay, okay, okay. Wait. Guys, we have Sanket with us. Okay, on the call. He will guide us with the account to pass the challenge and all, right? तो आपने कोई ट्रेड लिया आज? So basically, what happened? I took two trades. Okay, first was on gold. No, not first was on GJ actually, which was this one here. Okay, I took buys and I was sure because if I just take a look at the 4 hour levels, this was a really strong level. So I knew price will bounce back here. So I took a buy here and I knew that price can go drawdown because of this wick we have here. Okay. So I put SL below those structures and I was hoping that price will move forward at least till this levels and it did. Now the problem was that my SL was around 50 to 60 pips and I was already in a drawdown of 5%, right? After that last week. So this was the first trade and I was holding this. At the time I was in profit and then there was this new structure coming in to move forward. Now I was out and I saw that price is trending to the downside on gold, but there was this levels I have marked out from the that day, and I was hoping that once price hit this levels, I will take buys. And I did that and put stop loss of 30 to 40 pips. So I was hoping that it's enough for price to move and take a turn basically. Though what happened that price dropped immediately from here, and it was a sudden drop. So it immediately took out my first trade, and I was like, okay, let's give a second chance because I was sure that price will move forward. And it actually, the trade idea was correct. Price did move forward from here, but the level was not right. Like price had a drop of like another 100 pips before moving up, right? So I took another trade and put it like below the structure. Stop loss was below these levels here, and it took out that level and before moving up. So due to this trade, I had a now this risk, the amount of risk I was taking here, okay, was miscalculate on both of the trades. Due to that, I hit the drawdown limit. Otherwise, if I had just did the proper calculation, it would have been good. It would have been amazing trade because GJ was, if I have made around 100 pips, I will be up around 3 to 4%. So, but yeah, but we are doing another challenge with a one step. I was like, I want to continue the live stream. Like, I have failed account, but I also have learned, like in the last account I made 6%, but I did lost as well. So I think the reason I lost was because I changed my strategy. When I started the live stream, I was just targeting around 1% or so and just risking 0.70% per trade. So the reason I changed the risk and everything was the bad part. Yep. Yeah, news is coming out. Even I am looking for the similar thing. Okay, let me share with people. Let me share with people what you're looking for. Okay. I need to hide my chats, to be honest. Like there are some personal chats as well. So guys, this is the setup that Sanket is sharing with us right now. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. I hope you can see the live stream. Yeah, you can. So he is looking for cells at this area. I think we have marked a similar area to those structures, right? You see, we have marked a similar area to those structures. I think his SL is around this levels here, at this levels. But it's totally a good trade because look at this, okay? 4 hour candle does not have a bottom wick, and most of the candle does have a bottom wick, right? We take any area or any structure. So I think this candle will flip down, tap into these levels, do a retest, and before moving up. So eventually, even if price is bullish, price will tap into these levels before moving up. So I think sells are really good idea right now if you want to take a trade, but it will be an immediate trade. Let me put this here. So like, do you have like a sell stop or something like that, or you will just execute at a market order or something? Hmm. Yeah. So so it's a CB consumer confidence. Okay, the last data we had was 104.7, and they are right now they are forecasting point 105.7. Yeah, I think if we are seeing a drop, then we should go to 1 minute time frame and see the proper structure. Like if I'm looking for a reversal trade, usually what I do is go to 1 minute time frame, mark out the levels. Basically, this is the break of structure, right? And then we made a low, retest that level, and since then we've been moving bullish, right? So like, according to me, if we break below this level, then I think the sells will be good, something like that. So we need a break of structure. I think that's how I take a trade. I mean, yeah, that's it. Yeah, 30-minute candle just started immediately breaking the highs. If it flip bearish, then we can. I think so. This was the level we had a huge drop, right? Multiple times, and we have a wick rejection as well. 15-minute time frame. What accounts is you are trading right now with? I mean, what's the risk you are going to take? Full margin? Oh, okay, 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 great, great, great. Okay, guys, GJ is tapping into these levels as well. So once we tap into these levels, I will take a buy, putting SL below these levels. So let's see how it goes. I'm hoping that this 4 hour candle, once it breaks its own low, we are hoping that it will reject and come back to this level again, because 1 hour this candle will be flipping bearish. Also, the reason we are taking GJ buys is we have closed it at this level multiple times on a monthly candles. Okay, so the last when we had a closure here, we were hoping that price will immediately reverse and go to this levels again. The reason we are thinking about that, you take a look at the higher time frame. We had a break of structure. Okay, we had a break of structure here, and since then price is not moving down immediately like we did here. That means we are holding the levels here. Okay, so if we are, let's assume if we are moving up, then just take a look at the weekly time frame, the structure we are creating. Okay, this was the low we made. Since then we've been consolidating and making a higher high. We are not breaking on the previous lows, but we are making a higher high, and we are still respecting the low every time we hit these levels. Okay, so I'm hoping that we will pop up on a weekly candle and a daily candle. So the best thing to do is to continue the trend and take a trade accordingly. So that's what I'm doing here as well. So I think the best option for me is to wait for this 15-minute candle to close and see how it's doing, and accordingly I'll take the trade. But yeah, I'm looking for buys on GJ. That will be my main final analysis. Let me know if you have any other different analysis than me. Okay, gold is still pushing. How much time? We have half hour left for the news. Interesting. On a smaller time frame. Yeah, candles are slowing down. Yeah, okay. Possible, possible. Like, so let's take a look at the dollar index for that, right? We can predict the news accordingly. So basically, we did drop down till here. Now we have a gap to fill up. I mean, if dollar index does come down, then gold will push up. But assuming that we have a news in 15 to 20 minutes, there's a high possibility that both price can reverse in a different direction now. टू बी ऑनेस्ट लाइक तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है भाई संकेत भाई कि मैंने जब से लाइव स्ट्रीम स्टार्ट किया है ना, लाइक जो जो मैं लाइव स्ट्रीम में ट्रेड देता हूँ ना, वो हमेशा लाइक बेटर होता है मेरी इवन डिस्कॉर्ड ग्रुप में भी। लाइक जब मैं वहां पे कुछ ट्रेड अपॉर्चुनिटी या ट्रेड आइडिया प्रेजेंट करता हूँ, इट्स समहाउ लाइक वे बेटर जब मैं पर्सनली कुछ ट्रेड कर रहा होता हूँ प्राइवेटली, एंड दैट ट्रेड आइडियाज इज लाइक कि भाई लॉस ही होते ज्यादा तो। वो भी है, वो भी है। डोंट केयर, डोंट केयर। हाँ, डोंट केयर। So are you taking the sell or not? Let's follow your analysis and we will take the sell as well. I mean, we still have time. Before that, we can close the trade, right? If we have 100K account, that's high. I don't think so. We will have any problem, right? Let's go. Let's go, guys. We are taking a sell here. Yeah, we no problem. I mean, like it's part of the game, right? Okay, let's see. Okay, let's jump to the just. I think if we put SL exactly above this area, we'll be fine, right? Because we have a structure here, price rejected and came back down. Then we have a structure here, and we cannot hold a trade that long. That will be too much big of a stop loss. 80 pips is too much, right? So I think 50 pips is enough for price to move, and it's enough for 1 hour. Like look at the 1 hour. Okay, we have put SL here. We have multiple rejections here. So I think we are good if we are, and I think all we need to target is this 1 hour candle low, 4 hour candle low. Or you are targeting that this will reverse like this much. That means daily candle flip and moving down. But like to be honest, I will explain you something. Okay, looking at the weekly candle, when it newly opened, it respected the high here and it moved down. So whenever like price do that, there is a highly chance that price will come back, tap to this level, break the high, and then move down with a strong fundamental or some kind of a good confirmation regarding fundamentals. I mean, that's my perspective. So the only reason, yeah, we will know in around 4 to 5 minutes, because once this 15-minute candle close, and if it close at the like a doji or something, then there's a high possibility price will reverse here. So what GJ is doing? GJ. Okay, we did created a bottom wick here. We did created a bottom wick. That's 30 pips as a SL. And 4 hour candle just flip bearish. Okay. Now our main target here is price should like at least come down to this levels. What happened there? No, no, no. Something like a noise कुछ तो आया आवाज तो कुछ तो आया मतलब I don't know क्या. Oh, okay, okay. 15-minute candle, 3 minute left for the closure. 5 minute is previous 5 minute candle close as doji, and this candle there's a high chance that we might move down here. So if 15-minute candle close bearish or doji, I'll add another position. Okay. We just need one candle to close as a bearish to have a confirmation here. We are up around $51. 51. As $3. Let's go. I mean, what's your account size? Like आप risk manage risk करके चल रहे हो तो what's your account size फिर? Okay, फिर तो सही है. Like I mean, you are हाँ क्या? Uh, right, right, right. बेस्ट है फिर तो बेस्ट है मतलब मेरे अकॉर्डिंग तो भाई आप $500 and targeting around even like if you follow the percentage wise you are doing great job, right? So GJ is moving down. GJ is moving down as expected. Now all we need is if price is going to retest into this level, then we need to see how it's going to do. How much will be 40 bits? I think we're gonna wait. We're gonna be waiting here price to move this level. We have 1 minute for the 50-minute candle closure on a gold. भाई मीम कॉइन लॉन्च कर देते मैं तो बोलता हूँ लाइक मैंने रिसेंटली कुछ वीडियोस देखे थे मीम कॉइन पे लाइक लोग पागल बन रहे हैं भाई आई नो लिटिल बिट आई नो लिटिल बिट मैं आपको बताता हूँ लाइक अबाउट चलो रुको आई मीन लेट्स वेट फॉर दिस 50-minute कैंडल क्लोजर अगर क्लोज इफ इट क्लोज बेरिश या डोजी तो विल एट सेकंड पोजीशन and we'll manage the risk accordingly because then we need to enter buys here and we are waiting for that. But actually, if we make okay, we got a bearish closure, guys. Enter your another sell if you want to. There we go. I'm gonna be no, but SL is at a better point. We are good with the SL. There is no need to change the SL. Stop loss is at a better point because we have multiple wick rejection here, right? So I think we are good with the SL. I won't change that. Mhm. Yeah, it's respecting this levels, but the reason I have marked this as a level is the last resort. Like अगर price इसके ऊपर गया, that means there is a high possibility we're gonna cover the whole move till the daily high with the news and all. Because that then you are looking at the 4 hour this break of structure of this highs, and whenever our price went above, we have a huge move till here, right? So price will respect the history and follow the move. मेरा मेरा ये 100K का वन स्टेप अकाउंट है दिस टाइम अगर मैं ये पास कर गया ठीक है तो भाई खत्म है फिर मतलब I'll be this is my second account I'll pass like from the like last when I attempt last year I was able to pass phase 1 phase 2 okay and it took me 2 months to do that so I'm giving the same amount of time on the step 1 account and the main funded account like in the step 1 account if I able to pass this account in a month and in the next month when I get the funded account I'll just target like 1 to 2% and once I make around $1,000 or $2,000 I'll close it. I'll wait for the payout date because last time I made a mistake. I did not wait for it. I did not have the patience here. Okay, GJ break the 4 hour low, guys. Now we have a strong rejection point where these are the level we had a strong rejections point. Daily candle did flip patch. Wait a second. So looking at this price structure, okay, whenever I have price went up from this, it have never did a retest. Price came back down, it never did a retest. Okay, so there is a high possibility we're gonna reject into this levels. $5, 430 minute, $5. Oh, let's go, let's go. 50-minute candle for bearish again. Let's go, let's go. Trade is going good. Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, is he? Mm-hmm. Yeah. क्या मतलब ये क्या यूट्यूब पे लाइव स्ट्रीम वाइव स्ट्रीम करता है क्या कुछ? अलीबाबा एफएक्स, इट्स लाइक अलीबाबा 40 चोर, वली बाबा एफएक्स. Okay. Oh, I know him. Like one time in Raja Bank live stream, he showed this guy. Damn. So did he took sell as well? Bomba said, "See, life तो है, life तो है." Let me show you guys whom we are talking about. This is the guy. So he's at a buy from here. 124K. Damn, guys, we are doing a good job as well. Like we need subscribers as well. He's just sitting like it. Like we do not advise real account trading and investing. Okay, okay. Like he have a sell from here and have a buy from here. There is 1200 people watching him right now. He have 11K views in a single live stream. Damn, I did not know people are crazy like that about trading. I mean, okay. I mean, to be honest, I have never watched him. I know him because एक बार राजा बैंक की लाइव स्ट्रीम में he showed us like his trading and what kind of a trade he have taken and all. तो मेरे को तब तब से मेरे को उसके बारे में पता लाइक मेनली. So we have sand made for the gold candle to close on 30 minute. Like अगर अगर ये 15 मिनट कैंडल है ना, ब्रेक करता है ना प्रीवियस कैंडल का लो, there is a high possibility we will have a volume till like 275 1.147, like we'll have straight down till this point. I'm putting SL here at 2760.108. So how much is that? मतलब I am risking around 1% on this trade, around 1%. and I'm targeting around 1 to 2% as well. 50 minute candle will be breaking its own low or not. Okay. GJ did tap into this area. Now, what we will need is a rejection. On a 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, we are rejecting. So I'm going to be entering on two lots. Sorry, one lot, I mean here. And I'll add more positions as we move up. So entering a GJ pie here. Okay, manage your risk accordingly, guys. Okay. Because taking a two trade, last time we did, we lost a funded account. So manage your position accordingly. Don't, you know, okay, initially, if we want to add more position, we need to target 100 pips because yeah, what? हाँ जीजे में मैंने buy लिया है अभी. Okay, basically there is a high probability that this 4 hour candle can move up and मेरा SL is around 50 pips on that. And मैंने just एक ही one lot ही लिया है अभी. अगर once we close like rejecting somehow या मेरे को और थोड़े confirmation मिलते हैं, accordingly I will add more position on this trade. But yeah, this is our trade on GJ. हाँ मैंने भी सेम टारगेट किया है बिकॉज ब्रेकिंग London session low, Asia में we did not have much volume, and in the last Friday we had a huge volume. Sorry, Monday, and I think there's a high possibility we can reject these levels. So no, I trade only GJ gold and GBP USD. So according to me, these are the finest level like what we are doing right now. Because look at this, okay, on a market structure. Look at this on the 4 hour time frame. We had this as a breakout structure, made a high, retested this level perfectly, then made this as a high, respecting this previous high here as well. We had a huge consolidation zone. Okay. Then we had a liquidity grab to the downside. Then we had a move up, nicely move up. Now we are tapping these levels again. So there is a high possibility this could be a proper, test and a retest of these levels and before moving, having a huge move to the upside. So if this, what? Yes, yes, I will. Did you close it? Ha, it's allowed. It's allowed. Guys, we have like 3 minutes. Okay, either we're gonna win, either we're gonna lose. It's as Raja Bank said, as the man himself said, "Welcome to casino." In the last 3 minutes, we do not want to see a bullish momentum. To be honest, I don't like that. GJ is flipping bullish. Like once this 15-minute candle flows bullish, it will be something we can see. And then 1 hour will be closing bullish, bearish, to be honest. I mean, I think all we needed was that 4 hour candle to break its own low, and we did that. So I think now there's a high possibility. Now all we need is once it does flip bullish, so we're gonna mark this level here. That means that is a bullish price gonna flip bullish at this point, so we can add position accordingly on that trade. Okay, we got 1 minute and 50 seconds. Let's see. Welcome, welcome to the casino. Okay, GJ totally flip bullish because 15 minute is now about to flip bullish as well. So now this is will be something interesting to see now. How much time we have for 1 hour closure? Oh, it's 1 minute as well. So okay, we're gonna see some huge volume coming in right now. So be careful, okay? Be careful. Yeah, yeah, we are targeting a similar level. Like my TP is at is 2 cent. Yes. Yep, yep, agreed. 100 and so like according to me, 248 is the level you need to close everything. Like for me, I will close everything most likely because that is something I need to be checking on. Yeah, boy, let's do this. It's interesting whenever there is news. There we go. There is not. Okay, we got bad numbers for USD. That means price will move up, but even if price want to move up, it will still tap these levels. Okay, because as I said, whenever there is a news, always remember price will retrace in the opposite direction before moving up. Okay, because we got bad number for USD. That means there's a high possibility that DXY will move down, tap these levels, and move up. So trade accordingly, okay, guys. Trade accordingly. I'm up around $370. Like if I minus the GJ, then I think still 200 or so, 250 or so. I'm on a GJ as well, right? GJ trade as well. Okay. 15-minute candle closure. We had a wick. 30-minute candle just open up. So now I think like the only question I have is should I add more position on GJ right now or should I wait for price to retrace and then add accordingly? Like there's a high probability we're gonna retrace back down because of the 1 hour new opening. We're gonna grab some liquidity till this level. We're gonna come back to our entry point. Then there's a chances that we might flip bullish. Let's see. We'll trade. We'll add more positions in that way. For gold, yeah. Let's see. There's still a possibility we're gonna come down because we got new 1 hour candle opening up as well. Yeah, I think we're gonna move down. There's a possibility we're gonna move down. भाई जीजे जीजे तो बहुत खतरनाक लाइक स्नाइपर एंट्री है जीजे पे देखो तो सही स्नाइपर एंट्री I think, but we're gonna come down eventually. We're gonna come down eventually, tap into this levels again to entry point because it won't move up directly. If it does, then I have no problem. Like I'll be making money, right? Okay. So it's interesting to see, even after the news, even after having the bad numbers, price is moving like this. When I will move my SL at 30 pips now, because if we re-break the highs again, no wait, we can re-break the highs. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. देखा मैंने. Like I was not expecting that move immediately, but we're gonna add another position there because that means that 4 hour candle have flipped bullish now, and there is a high possibility we might not come down. Okay, if we break the 30-minute candle highs, that means we're gonna be breaking above these levels. That is another break of structure. So we'll add more position there. I mean, gold is not pushing still downside. I don't know why. 5 minute closure, we had a bearish candle. That means we're still moving down, but we need one strong bearish momentum. Nice move, one nice move. That's all we need. 3, 4, we are up around 0.50% on the account right now. Okay, on a 5 minute break of structure, I'm hoping that price will just continue moving down. Okay, because looking at the 1 minute and so, there is a high possibility we just drop down in next 5 to 10 minutes. And if we do that, then we're gonna hit this levels and we're gonna close all the positions there. We need at least how much you're up? How much you're up? Good. Oh, we had a retracement there. Not good. Yeah, I mean, it should because like look at the levels, right? We did created a high and now we are rejecting because of the resistance there are and multiple rejection points. So even if we do something like this, we are totally okay with that, right? It will be just a price creating a proper structure to move lower before moving a lot higher. Now GJ is now moving down again. So here's the thing, okay? On GJ, if you want to add more position, then that will be that 193 will be your target to add more position if you want to. Requesting which pair? ग्रेट भाई आप ही छाप रहे हो मतलब कुछ भी बोलो सही है सही है हम्म राइट 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 हाँ नहीं अग्रीड 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 आपका आवाज कट हो गया क्या एंड में नहीं नहीं अभी आ रहा है अभी आ रहा है कुछ कोई श्योर 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 टेक योर टाइम Currently, there are 98,000 traders online. We got 11,000 traders from US. From India, we have 9,000. Iran, we have 6,000. UK, we have 4,000. But yeah, no. These are the active traders, I mean, and on Forex Factory, maybe. Basically, like you can see there, you know, trade taken and all subscribers. What is this? What do you mean by subscribers? I didn't know like there is a community in my Forex Factory as well. Okay, GJ is coming down again. So looking at this 1 hour candle, okay, what we need is if price want to create a bottom wick, we can have a bottom wick till this levels. Once we tap into this levels, we want price to reject again. But there is still a high possibility we might not come down to that level and we'll just stay above that level. Because take a look. This was the price made this as a high and then a low while respecting this levels. Then we had this as a high while breaking this low here. That means this is a change in the trend. Tries making another high, taking out the Asian high again, and then we move down. Okay. So basically, this down move was a confirmation that price want to continue moving down. But here, when we break this all small areas on a smaller time frame, like a 5 minute time frame. Take a look. We've been creating lower low every time. Then we had a consolidation break of structure. Now grabbing some liquidity from the bottom. Now we are moving up with a huge movement like a bullish candles. So I think this, I mean, I cannot give you more confirmation than this. And we have a bigger time frame, like a weekly time frame is aligned with the trade we have taken. So I guess that does clear out things right properly. We have 1 minute left before the 15-minute candle close. Okay, gold is coming back to our entry point. Looking at the 1 hour, we are flipping bullish. But to be honest, flipping bullish is not an issue. There is still a possibility we will reject to this levels after breaking its own high. I'm just waiting for the 15-minute candle to close to have a quick confirmation that price is still moving up on GJ. Then I'll add my third position because on GJ, I'm still very sure that price will move up. Okay. भाई बहुत बार होता है ये देखो now if you're talking about the meme coins, like this is how I do it most likely. This is the website deck screener or something like that. You can open up, you can just go to like the trending ones. You will see there is newly token created named DeepSeek. And if you don't know what it's about, this is a newly China AI company like a chat GPT, but they have break all the records, like all the all-time records of chat GPT, and made a really good software, like a good AI, okay, compared to chat GPT. And on the other part, it's also it's also something you need to keep in mind that when this thing was created, there were, and it was launched on, I don't know when, but when it was launched, there were around how many, like 1 billion or 1 billion or $1 million were wiped out from the US market. The only reason was because the tech companies, they have started using these things and things. I think like that was something like that. But yeah, I mean, भाई मतलब मेरे according it's crazy, like people are creating these coins, and when it started, like there was like really less liquidity, but right now sitting at a 9.1 million market cap. How's our trade doing? Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm gonna be adding another trade on GJ. So that will be my three lot there. Now I won't be adding much position right now until or unless we break this high. Okay. Once we break this high, I'll put my this position, this below level position. I'll put that at break even, being a risk free on that trade. And yeah, we're gonna trade accordingly. But besides that, on the gold, we got 15 candle closing bullish, which is not good. But at the same time, also keep in mind that 1 hour is just trying to break its own high and before moving down. If we are just breaking its own high, and then if we reject these levels, there's still a possibility we can just create a huge wick till 270, 2757 or so. or maybe we can create a huge wick till 58 or so. Okay, so we have rejection point coming in at this level, so we can see the rejection at that point. Yeah, gold did break its 1 hour high. Now it's going to be an interesting part to see how price is moving. Yeah, it did, but like also keep in mind that whenever price want to move in other direction, okay, as I said, if it wants to move down, it will at least go to till the level accordingly to 4 hour time frame. It will at least come down to 2744 or 45. 45 is the target, okay. That is the level price could tap into, or it could tap into 2747, but it will tap that level. The only question is, it will it hold our SL? Is it strong enough to hold those level or not? Yeah, but yeah, we will see if this 15-minute candle flip bearish, then there's a high possibility we're going to tap into this level. Because keep in mind, this move happened in New York session, okay, and since then we've been just consolidating, okay. Now this was the break of structure, so whenever price have a break of structure, it will always it will always come down to an point and retrace 86 to 90% before having a huge move up. Okay, this is a pure market structure. If you have learned the basic concept, you will know this is how market move. So we are hoping that this will be the level where price could reject, and because we have multiple rejection point here, like this is, you can see we have huge wicks down here. So I think like this is the levels where price could reject. So I'm be hoping that, let's see. If not, then it's fine. We're gonna close the trade at 40 pips as well. Right now we are down around 0.70%, which is totally fine as well because we're still below 1%. Uh, this one is a little bit higher, huh? Like this one is compared to two steps, the price is little bit higher. Sure, like if I come to Delhi, then I'll let you know because I'm not sure when I will be coming there. Or you can come to my city. You know. Ah, okay. So this costed me, it's not showing me. Yeah, so to be honest, yeah, $319 was the amount after applying my coupon codes. Ooh, guys, look at GJ. Look at GJ. Damn. Like this was something amazing. Even I was not expecting, to be honest. But yeah. So due to this GJ trade, we are covering the losses that right now we are in. but I think there is still possibility that this 30-minute candle is that trader Sanket affects in your stream. Yes, bro. Someone is asking about you. There is this Ravinder FX or something. He is asking if you are in the live stream. Show them your face if you want. Let me. You can. I mean, do you want me to switch to video? Yeah. You can now. Okay, guys. Let me. Okay, do that. Yeah, there we have. Okay, let me. Okay, there we have. Now you are in the main page. Okay, oh, I cannot turn on my own camera because I'm already on the webcam. But yeah, there we have him. Okay, I'm gonna minimize here. I cannot put like that because then I need to create some kind of other stream settings, because if we are having guests on the live stream, it will be something amazing to see. Even मैंने काशिफ भाई से भी बात की थी, like when we do podcast we will try कि we'll have him on the live stream someday. Yeah. Okay, guys. On a 5 minute time frame, price is rejecting already. On a 1 minute time frame, that's what I see. So as I said, like we can see something like that. I told you guys when we 1 hour candle close, we can when we are here. I told you we can see something like this. Okay. So let's see if we can get that now. Now, if we are seeing this move, that means this will happen quickly because we will have a huge volume now, because we already had the news, and that was the time we volume should kick in. So there are two things that can happen. Either we're gonna just reject these levels and move up quickly, or either we're gonna just move down immediately. So let's see, is it in our favor or not? Hmm. Yeah, yeah. Sure. I mean, okay, here's the thing, right? Even that $10,000 mark, even it's my goal. Like earning 10,000 a monthly is something a great thing to achieve. Uh, because I think there is not much fundamental data today, but we have a lot of things coming up this week. Like if we just move to tomorrow, Wednesday, we have nothing, to be honest. On 30, then we have on a 12:30, then we have federal. Ooh, okay, no, we have rate cut coming in on Thursday. So that's why we are not seeing anything. Then we have unemployment claim on the same day. And the last 31st, we have core PCE price index. I don't know what that is, but yeah, on the 30, if we have a rate cut this week, damn, I did not see that. Then we should not be trading gold. We should not be trading gold because rate cut will affect a lot, like on a next level. Like whenever there is a rate cut, all not just one pair, all the pair who are correlated with USD will go kaboom. It will be something next level to see. But I mean, this was a perfect trade, to be honest. Like the GJ trade we took. I mean, just imagine, guys, if we have taken a 10 lot size here, I will pass the challenge within like some time. Like just one trade that, like, I knew my analysis was correct because when I took a trade here, I knew that this analysis is correct. We are just retracing at this level to move properly to the upside, right? But there is a confidence when you take a trade, like price will go that in your favor. I did not have that at 100%. I had that in me, but like I was hoping that price will move something like this, but it just tapped once and it's now flying to that levels. Okay, now we have a break of structure of this level. Putting things at break even will be something we should do, but yeah, let's move everything at break even, guys. On GG, move everything at break even. Yeah, I'm in my home. Yep. Yes, yes. Uh, to be honest, in my work there is no time. Okay. If I decided to wake up at 11 a.m., I'll wake up at that time and I'll start working. And according to me, the like in the contract, if we are talking about the contract time, then that is 10 a.m. to 7:30. But I do not follow that timeline, to be honest. I mean, the only reason I'm allowed to do that is because my work is good enough that they don't need to complain. So, in that way, you can say like that's why I'm allowed to do whatever I want. Mhm. Yeah, I'm looking at that. I seen like even with the 15 minute, we did had a rejection, but we are still at that same level. We did break the high. Okay, we took a taking a look at 1 hour, we did break that high. If we wanted to move up, this was the level we should have pushed to the upside. We did not push. Now with the 30-minute candle, once we if even if we do break its own high or not, we will reject this levels and we should be coming down and fill up the wick we created on the 5-minute time frame. Basically, the structure we are creating is something like this. Okay. Now once we done creating, when we tap into this level, we'll tap here and then we might tap into this level again before moving down. But yeah, if it's pushing up, then it will be different story. But I highly doubt that we had a 15-minute closure multiple times at the same area. And if we are still, hello, hi, how are you doing? FRX buddy. Oh, okay, hi. Hello भाई कैसे हो? आई थिंक मैंने उसका इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट सिमिलर, मेरे को लगा कि आई हैव हर्ड दैट नेम FRX बडी पहले, फिर आई रिमेम्बर, अभी आपने बोला तब मेरे को रिमेम्बर. ओके. GJ is still pushing, guys. GJ is still pushing. I mean, I highly doubt we will have a chance to add more position now. It was a sniper entry. Even I didn't know it was a sniper entry, but it was a sniper entry. Like if we hit this 100 pip again, then we had one trade on 100 pip on GJ. This will be the second trade on 100 pip. Like it will be something crazy. Though I mean, the only reason the trade is moving in our favor, I think that's the only reason is that because we have aligned that trade with a bigger time frame. Okay, the time frame which we have seen on this levels on a weekly and all. संकेत भाई का नेक्स्ट वीडियो कब तक आएगा ब्रो? संकेत भाई आपके फैंस पूछ रहे हैं कि आपका नेक्स्ट वीडियो कब तक आएगा? नेक्स्ट वीडियो, आई मीन वीडियो पूछ रहे हैं, पॉडकास्ट तो नहीं बोला। आई हाईली डाउट कि पॉडकास्ट। भाई क्लैरिफाई, बोलो पूछो। आई थिंक आपकी आवाज उनको सुनाई तो देगी, आई थिंक। मैंने अल्लाह, हाँ। ग्रेट, ग्रेट। On 1 minute, I mean, on 5 minute time frame, we are just consolidating, to be honest. That's what I see. Like, price is not pushing anywhere. कोई नया कॉइन आया है क्या? हर 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 थोड़े टाइम में कोई नया कॉइन आता है। अभी कोई आया है क्या? हाँ, वो तो है भाई। Like, I mean, with 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 this coins, it's something कि it's dumb money concept. Basically, जब NFT release हुआ था, ठीक है, it was a dumb money concept. Like people were buying crazy paintings at crazy levels, right? So this is similar thing. Until or unless government does something like make it regulation or something like that, we will see this. And trust me, this is on a next level thing. I mean, if you're making money through this, guys, crazy. Like, let me tell you how you should make money. Okay, just go to deck screener, go to new pairs. Okay, in 24 hours, select whatever pairs is at the top. Okay, select one pair. Look at the price level. Look at the liquidity they have put. Okay, now look at the buying and selling here. There are multiple people who are buying and selling at that time. Now let's see the holders. We have 9% with this guy. Then we have other 3%, 1%. Like there's a multiple holders, so that is good. And there is a 60% that are the other holders, which is 400k. And there's only one liquidity provider who have burned 100% of its token. Okay, what this indicate? That means the holder who have created the token have will not make any money through this. So people are trusting this because holder have burned all of its tokens. Okay, so this coin will, that's why people are buying and immediately getting out. Okay, because holder will not be making anything. Then we have other coin which is like alpha, which is strongly moving up. The people are just buying and holding it. The liquidity, like, I don't know what is that, but holder, we have multiple holder as well. 1%, 1%. Liquidity provider have the main who created have burned around 67%, and there are some other people who have done the same and are holding a little bit of that amount. भाई नहीं पॉसिबल है ना, मैंने ऐड तो किया है। कुछ बोला अभी वापस आप?
Do something.
रुको रुको, ओके ओके ओके, सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी, अभी अभी आएगा, अभी आएगा। टॉक समथिंग नाउ।
Hello.
ओके, अभी आएगा। 110%। मैंने एक्चुअली देखा नहीं। सो बेसिकली देयर इज माय लैपटॉप एंड मल्टीपल स्पीकर्स, राइट? तो जो स्पीकर से आपका आवाज आ रहा है, सो दैट आई हैव नॉट सिलेक्टेड प्रॉपर्ली। अभी अभी अभी
Hmm.
आएगा।
Hmm. I saw someone's story. He is also from India.
हाँ
वो क्या करता था ना, like he uploaded a story where like some of, like for example, a group है, you know,
Hmm.
what they do is they hack, you know, well-known people's Twitter. फॉर एग्जाम्पल उन्होंने ट्रम्प के फैमिली में से किसी का ट्विटर हैक कर लिया, या किसी बड़े बिजनेसमैन का ट्विटर हैक कर लिया, किसी बड़े सेलिब्रिटी का कर लिया, पॉलिटिशियन का कर लिया. एंड आफ्टर दैट हैकिंग द ट्विटर, what they will do, they will just post a meme coin of their name from their Twitter.
Okay. And just get
Then
out.
then just people will think that it's going up because they launch their own coin, but they don't know that's the thing which
समझ
other
गया.
people have. So they know everything. So it's a crazy insider call. And
Okay.
they
I
are
mean,
running groups.
to be honest, when the Trump coin came out, no one have expected that. I mean, the president have released his own coin and done the rug pull basically.
Hmm.
Because look at the price now. What's the price now? Trump official coin. Okay, the current market is at $29. Okay, the highest it went was 70 something.
Hmm.
Let me see. 1 year. Yeah, see, you can see 74 or 68 or so. Yeah, 70 something or so. But you see, since then we've been just trending into $28 or so. Obviously, this won't go to zero. The only reason it won't do that is because it's backed by the president himself, and the other reason is that the liquidity they have, closed it basically. Okay, it's not coming out or going in or something like that. So there's a high possibility it will pump back up, but it will take some time now.
How long you usually stream?
1 to 2 hours, depending on the trade, to be honest. Like, depending on the trade. Like, for an example, we are in the two trade right now. So, even one trade hit TP, I'll close the live stream. Because, to be
Uh,
honest, it's 9 p.m. and I have not eaten and I want to eat. तो खाना भी है and you know
okay.
या तो एसएल हिट हो जाए या तो फिर टीपी हिट हो जाए, दोनों में से कुछ भी हो जाता है, विल क्लोज द लाइव स्ट्रीम ऑन वन
Hmm.
ट्रेड एटलीस्ट. एंड बेसिकली जीजे का तो फिर समझो कि वी आर वे अबव देन आवर एंट्री पॉइंट.
Hmm. Next time when I'll join, what I will do, I will announce it publicly
श्योर श्योर. इट विल
so
बी.
that more people, at least 30-40 people will come.
हाँ, मतलब अभी अभी अराउंड लाइक 2 से 3 लोग देख रहे हैं, आई थिंक 2 से 3 लोग, ज्यादा नहीं है.
But shout out to you, यार. मतलब इतने कम viewers पे you are showing consistency. But at the same time,
नहीं,
you have to do something extra as well, जिससे लोग attract हो.
फिर तो अट्रैक्ट होने के लिए तो फिर मैं मतलब I'll post like the lifestyle vlogs and all.
No, no, no,
मतलब
not lifestyle, like any trade you
अट्रैक्ट
took.
करते हैं फिर क्या.
Any trade you took, you can, for example, in whole month,
हाँ.
whatever you took, trades you took, you made a proper video that's the all trades I took, and that was the result. So people
Right.
will watch that video, they will think that yes, if that video goes viral, people will see that this guy is doing live stream, that much people got online, so we can, if we will come, we will have value. So that's
Right.
the things,
I mean,
because there are so many people are doing live stream at the same time. So what different we are doing matters the most.
agreed on that part. Like, to be honest, like अभी अभी अगर मैं लाइव स्ट्रीम करता हूँ ना कभी कभी, तो I don't have much time to create the videos and put efforts on that level because I have
Hmm.
my personal life to manage and other things to do. तो it's little bit hard sometimes कि सब मैनेज नहीं हो पाता है.
Hmm.
आपको तो पता ही है, like you are doing it. अभी आप guys, if you have not check out Sangeet YouTube channel, do that. I will put the link into the chat or something. Send me your link on the Discord, YouTube link.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
I'll put in the chat. We are in a huge consolidation on gold right now. Not
Bro,
moving
it's
at all.
very boring right now.
It's too much. It's too much. But at the same time, we have how much time for 1 hour closure? For last 15 minutes, okay? So if this 1 hour candle, current 1 hour candle in the last 15 minutes, there's a possibility we can flip bearish or we can push up. Question is what it will do. So let's see.
Hmm.
Okay, let me put this into the chat. There you go, guys. Check out the YouTube channel. Like if you have not, just subscribe. In future, you will find a good content related to prop firms, especially. Okay, so again, the high have been broken of the 30-minute candle, 15 minute. Okay, now if we move down now, then it will be something we should be looking forward to.
Hmm.
How much we are up? I mean, we are up around 70 pips, 75 pips on GJ. So guys, if you want to, if you have taken a good lot size, close your trade. Okay, like I can do the same, but I don't want to. Like it's simple thing, right? It's my money. I'll manage it my way. It's your money. You manage it on your own way. Like just don't follow the live stream blindly. Use your brain, which have been given
Hmm.
for free. It's not like it's a paid subscription. Okay, we got.
Chalo, Sahil, I am going, huh?
Okay, okay, ठीक है चलो
How
भाई.
long you will drive after that?
समझो ना लाइक अब एक्स्ट्रा अभी 15 मिनट ज्यादा नहीं. Like
Okay.
9:30 will be the last thing.
Okay. 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 See
ठीक है.
you, huh?
See you. Okay, चलो. Bye.
Take care. Take care, bro. Take care.
Take care. Take care. Okay, now we are doing the live stream for extra 15 minutes, not much. Then we'll be ending the live stream. Okay, guys. So we have this GJ trade running, and our totally our target is basically you can say this level. Okay, once we take out this highs, you need to close all of the position. On the other hand, yeah, that is the main thing. That is the main thing. For gold, like we are still like not moving much. So we'll take a trade accordingly. We'll close a trade accordingly. We've been creating, to be honest, highs. संकेत भाई चले गए भाई. संकेत भाई गए अभी. So now just me. Sanket bhai will join later on tomorrow or maybe देखेंगे when. Guys, if you're watching the live stream, leave a like. We've been doing live stream for 1 hour and 40 minutes now, and almost we have given you around 70 pips on this GJ trade. Okay, So, but at the same time, we are still on gold trade, which is sell, and our SL is at 40 pips. Even if we hit SL at 40 pips, then we are still good because overall we are doing good on the GJ. Let's see, we have three trades on GJ. Both are up 20%. 40. Okay, when this 1 hour candle close on GJ, what we can expect that on a 5 minute time frame when the candle close and we are still at this level, basically around this levels, okay, doing something like this, then we can see that price might come down till here before having a nice up move. Okay, so when we come down to this level or this level, okay, try to close at least some percentage here and add more position here and then let the trade run. Okay, basically write the trend properly. That's what I'll say. Gold is still pushing with a small, like less volume, but it's still pushing to the upside. Now, at the same time, look at this. We are approaching this as a level. We had a huge rejection here. One, two, three. Yeah, you have three rejection, and this week as a fourth. So basically, yeah, according to me, for 1 hour we have 9 minutes left. This 30-minute candle could flip bearish. 15-minute candle could just move down. Basically, this could be something like that. You can see something like that. Okay? Or maybe we can just see something like this. All right, we are still pushing here. GJ is coming down, guys. So be ready to enter in more position at this level. We're down around 0.40% still. Even after closing all the trade, we'll be down around 0.40%. You know what, guys? Like, there's now 8 minutes left. So we're gonna wait extra 7 minutes. Then I will be stop doing the live stream. I will just take a rest and we'll watch something. I think we are seeing bearish momentum coming in now. $15 minute candle flip bearish, 30-minute candle just flip bearish. Okay. Now all we need to see is if this is a strong bearish momentum coming in, we'll see with the next 5-minute candle opening, we'll see the price will drop immediately back to our entry point where we can manage our trade accordingly. Okay. And at the same time, if we do not drop properly, then we are in a short consolidation zone basically. Once price come back and close below these levels, then basically that means this count as a fake out, price will come back to our entry point and we can see something like that to happen. But if we tap here still, then we can see something like that. But once we go above this level, then there's a high possibility we're gonna hit our SL. New 1 hour candle will be opening in next 5 minutes. Okay, on the last 5 minutes of the 1 hour candle, we are seeing like price tapping into this levels, rejecting now again. Question is, if the 1 hour want to, close like a doji candle, then we should see the momentum now. Okay. Basically, that means the price will come back to our go back below our entry point. Okay. We'll be back into profit like some much around some $100 or so. Not much. But yeah, you should see that now happening was not much. There we go. Price is dropping. That means the 1 hour candle will be closing doji. That's what I feel like now. So if we come back to our entry point here with a new 1 hour candle opening up, we could drop down till here, closing all the trades, and then price could still flip bullish. Okay, this is still a possibility. Price could flip bullish. So trade accordingly, guys. Trade accordingly. Okay. No, it does not drop down. Why not? Why not? Okay. We are seeing a bearish momentum now, back to up around 0.20%. We have last 1 minute then. So if the next 1 minute candle still push down till here, we are still in a good at that point, right? We are up around 0.40%. So overall for today, we're gonna target around 2%, 2 to 3%. If we make 2%, we'll close everything, come back tomorrow, listing that 2% to make 4% or extra 2% basically. And yeah, that will be the way. For last 35 minutes left, guys. For the last 35 minutes left. Now, in the last 30 seconds, if we do not push and go back to our entry previous high of the 1 hour, we are good. That means 30-minute candle closing bearish, 15-minute candle closing bearish. 5 minute, we are seeing a price taking a turn basically after a huge consolidation. There we go. We had new 1 hour candle just opening up, guys. So now our SL is 40 bips. Put everything there. Even if we do break the highs, we can reject the zone. Okay, we can do something like this, but that will be the end of it. If you want to reject, then this is the area. If we do not want to reject, then we'll just go above those levels. Then there's a second possibility. Price could just break its own low on a 5 minute time frame and just retest this level and move down. And we'll go back to these levels. So once we take out that level, there's a possibility we will just reject later on at these levels. But yeah, that will be that. And on GJ, we are still pushing up. We had a nice retest on a smaller time frame. 1 hour just started moving up. So let's see how much it does go up. But yeah, overall our target is this, and we're gonna close everything there. Okay. So yeah, currently we are up to 0.30% or 40%, not much. At the same time, all we need is gold to be moving down and tapping into these levels. So I'll be wrapping up the live stream here, and we'll see you tomorrow. And till then, take care. Bye bye. Don't make the mistake like I did in the last week. So manage your risk accordingly. Okay, guys. Have a good day.